When the case is manufactured, the doors leave the factory leveled. However, we expect some movement during shipping, so they must all be checked after the cases have been installed and leveled. This is the process. We start to level the case by using the chassis pan deck rail on the left as reference. Place the spirit level down and check if it is leveled from front to back of the case. The level here shows that it is in balance, so that's all good. Now we will check if the other side is level in the same fashion. We are checking to make sure from front to back the case is within 1.5 millimeters of level. In this case, we can see that it is all good. Now moving over to the center, we use the pan deck rail in the center of the case to check leveling of the case left to right in the front. Here we can again see that it is in balance. We must also check the left to right balance level on the pan deck rail at the rear of the case. Using a 1 meter spirit level, the level should only be out by a maximum of 0.5 mil, as the case end to end can only be out by maximum 1.5 millimeters. Now that we have measured the case from left to right, front and back, we must make sure that our legs are down straight. The second part is that we make sure the center legs or any other legs are equally weight distributed with the case weight. Not done correctly, when the case is loaded up, twisting or a banana effect may occur. Now after leveling off the case, we can see that the doors sawtoothing is not apparent as the doors are flush. They have been leveled left to right. This is the effect movement and shipping can have on the doors. We can see as the case is lifted, the doors move and will sawtooth. If the door adjustment is too large, the case will need to be re-leveled. If the cases aren't level as seen here, sawtoothing can occur. Minor imperfections can be removed by adjusting the door. If it can't be adjusted, then the case needs to be re-leveled correctly. This is an example of a minor door adjustment. Doors here are seen to not be level and sawtooth. Firstly, unscrew the 2 screws to loosen the door. Then lightly maneuver the door into its correct position and go ahead and tighten it back up. Carry on with these steps on the other side. Now that we look back at the door, we can see that the door is no longer sawtoothing and is leveled from left to right. The case needs to be checked and possibly re-leveled once the case has been stocked. This would most likely be caused by the fact that it was not correctly adjusted to share the load evenly. The door adjustment for this is the same as the Smart Look door. It is also important to ensure that the bottom profile is level by ensuring the base is fully horizontal and straight. The example on the left shows level. If we compare it to the one on the right, we can see that the profile is tilted on an angle. If the bottom profile isn't level, it will put tension on the door and also damage the bottom door seal. It has to be level front to back and side to side within 1.5 mil.